Hi guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're actually going to be doing something completely different than I've ever done on this channel. We are going to be trying out this teeth whitening kit that I ordered off of Amazon. So I ordered this Mysmile kit from Amazon, and it's supposed to have really good reviews, and I'm really interested to see if it works or not. So the reviews that I've seen online say that it works really well, so I'm excited to try it out. It gives you like a little card that shows you what level your teeth are at and what it will be once it's done. So right now I would say I'm probably at a 5 on this little card, and I want to be at like a 2 or a 1. So if it's in focus, it's hard to tell, but you can see that I am probably a 5, which is like right here, and I want to be like a 2 or a 1. So we got a little bit of whitening to do. Alright, so I finally got the thing attached. So it comes apart, it comes with the batteries out, you have to put the batteries in, and then you have to attach this piece right here to this piece, and it just wouldn't attach. It was being a bitch. So you get 3 syringes in the top, and it tells you to apply 0.5 milliliters of the Smile whitening gel to the top and to the bottom of the mouth, applied to the face of the tray. So 0.5 milliliters. I'm guessing, okay, so they have it labeled. So there's 1, 2, 3, and then there's halves. So you're just gonna apply the half part. So you just take off the little safety thing, and then we're going to apply it to the face of the tray. So I'm assuming this is the face. That was already, all right, I'm just spreading it around the face of the tray. They're gonna use a total of 1 milliliter because you're gonna use 0.5 on the top and 0.5 on the bottom. And it all came out just like incredibly quickly at once, so I'm just like using the nozzle to spread it around evenly. Right. So I got it all into the tray. I hope I did that right. And then it says, insert the light into the tray into your mouth. Let's enjoy the whitening process. The LED light will automatically turn off, and it will beep once 10-minute intervals for your convenience. Rinse your mouth out and the tray, and avoid eating or drinking solid foods and beverages for 1 hour. All right, so we're gonna put this in for 10 minutes. So you just turn it on and Alright, so it has officially been 10 minutes since I had this thing in my mouth, and it does have the timer, so it does turn off when it's done. My teeth do look a lot whiter. I wouldn't say that I went from like a 5 to a 1 though. I think I went from like a 5 to a 4. Like I probably went up maybe 1, maybe half of a color for whitening. I think this is definitely a thing that you're gonna have to use like numerous times in a row. I have noticed some people say that it did leave their teeth with like white spots all over it, and it didn't like whiten their teeth fully. So I'm interested to see if it does that. I hope it doesn't do that, but it didn't do that for me. My teeth look a little bit whiter. They look like they've just kind of gotten cleaned. They don't really look that much better. I kind of failed at the beginning, and I didn't take a photo showing you guys what my teeth look like this morning, so I'll just start a photo in of what my teeth look like when I'm smiling in another video that I've done. So I'll post a photo in there of that, and then I'll post a photo in of what my teeth look like today. And then I guess this is going to be something that I'm going to have to use numerous times over and over. But this is definitely just like a cheap kit that I got off of Amazon. I think it was like $40. Don't expect this to be a miracle thing. It's definitely not going to make your teeth super white the first time you try it. So it just says do it for 7 days or until desired results are achieved. After whitening for 7 days consecutively, we recommend waiting 4 to 6 weeks before whitening your teeth again. So it is something that you're gonna have to do for a week straight. So maybe I will continue to do it, and then at the end of the week, I will let you guys know if my teeth are whiter or not. So this is the first day, so I'm not gonna come on and do this every single time with you guys, but I will come back on day 7 after I've done this for 7 days in a row, and I will show you guys how my smile is looking and if my teeth actually got whiter or not. So I will come back on the 7th day after I've used all of this product, and we will see. So this had really, really great reviews online, and we actually got, where is it? Right after I had ordered this kit off of Amazon, we actually got one in BoxyCharm. So this is the Smile Science, which is basically the same thing, but instead of it being a light that you got like just a pen where you can just like rub the stuff on your teeth, and it's stuff. So I have this one also to try, but I probably won't try this. After I've done this kit, I probably won't whiten my teeth again for about 6 to 8 weeks like it says, just because I don't want to overdo it with my teeth and make them like overly sensitive. But I'm excited to try this out. I have used whitening products like this in the past, so I know that my teeth don't really, like, it doesn't really have a reaction to it. I've used the I've used the Crest whitening strips before, so this was very similar. It felt very similar. The gel reminded me exactly of the Crest whitening strips, like the gel that you just put onto the little pieces of plastic that you put into your mouth and you leave on for half an hour. It is the exact same thing in my opinion. From my experience, it tasted the same, it felt the same, and it's kind of working the same. So I'm assuming it's something very similar, if not the exact same, just with a cheaper brand. But I'm definitely excited to keep trying this out and see if I like it, but I will come back on the 7th day and we can see if my teeth is actually whiter. So I will insert the clip of my teeth today, and then I will come back on the 7th day and show you guys what my teeth look like. So see you then. So up close, my teeth are yellow. Ah. They definitely didn't get any whiter, and super disappointing because I want a white pearly smile. Hi guys, so it has officially been a week since I've been doing this week-long test of the Mysmile teeth whitening stuff, and I got this on Amazon. It was very inexpensive, like I said already, but I would say I'm not impressed. I don't think it worked. My teeth have not gotten any whiter. All it really did was leave a little bit of white spots like on my teeth in like certain spots, and like they do go away after a little while, so it's, I don't know, it just almost kind of looks like, you know, when you get like calcium deposits in your nails and your nail has like a white spot. That's what it looks like. My entire mouth didn't get whiter. I'm looking at a before photo and an after photo, and my teeth look exactly the same, if not worse somehow. I will say that this tray is easy to apply into this. This light does have a 10-minute timer on it, and it is really handy. The syringes, I only needed 2 of them. I didn't need the 3rd one, so I do have another syringe that I can use. I followed the instructions. It says to use 0.5 of the fluid that's in the syringe in the top and 0.5 in the bottom, and I found that the syringes were kind of hard to use. Like, you kind of got like too much product at some points and not enough at others. I don't know. It wasn't the most user-friendly thing. The light was fine. I didn't mind the taste of the gel. The gel didn't really have that much of a flavor. It just kind of tasted minty. To go off of the sheet, you'll see on here, you can see what your teeth whitenings will work as, and I was trying to get to a 2 or a 1, and I'll say that I probably started at a 5, and I really didn't change at all. My teeth are still pretty, yeah, I would say I'm still at like a 5. Maybe I'm at a 4 now. Maybe it gone up like half of a shade. Maybe I was at like a really low 5 and now I'm at a 4. But I would say my teeth don't look any whiter than they did when I started this 7 days ago. And it was kind of a hassle to do it every single day because it was like 10 minutes of my life that I couldn't talk and I couldn't do anything, and I don't know, it wasn't my favorite. I won't be repurchasing it, that's for sure. This was definitely very inexpensive. You can try it yourself and see if you have better results than I did, but my teeth don't look any whiter. They don't, I don't know, I think this is really just gimmicky. I think if you're trying to whiten your teeth and you want like instant results, go get Crest whitening strips. They work. You don't need this. This stupid light, I was just seeing everybody online using these stupid lights to make their teeth white, and I had really high hopes, but they're probably using ones that are way more expensive and probably ones that are actually effective. This really wasn't effective at all. I definitely don't recommend it, so unless you really want to try it and you're short on money and you don't want to spend the $80 for the Crest whitening strips and you only have like $30 to try a whitening thing, you can definitely try it, but my personal opinion, it didn't work for me. But again, what works for me and doesn't work for me will not be the same results for absolutely everybody. You guys could try this and absolutely love it. So my personal opinion is I wouldn't repurchase it. I don't like it. It didn't really work that great for me. I probably will still use the last syringe eventually, but I'm not gonna rush out and use it. I found this to be really gimmicky, and I wish it worked, but it really didn't. So I'm gonna put on the screen obviously somewhere my before and after photos so you guys can see that literally my teeth didn't really change at all. My teeth still look fucking yellow, so that's great. So I probably will buy the Crest whitening strips and just whiten my teeth with those because I have used those in the past and they are a little bit more effective than this, I think, if I'm remembering properly. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. I know this video was really random, but I wanted to see if this worked. I ordered it online and it looked like it had really great reviews, and I'm really disappointed. But thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this. And I will zoom in and show you guys what my teeth look like up close, and I'll see you guys at the next video. Bye. So up close, my teeth are yellow. Ah. They definitely didn't get any whiter, and super disappointing because I want a white pearly smile, but no. This is after 7 days of use and my teeth are still pretty yellow. This lighting is literally white light, so it's probably making them a lot whiter than they actually are, but I'm disappointed. Bye!